Hello everybody! In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up two networks and sending message in a star topology using the switch and the hub. And we're going to use the Cisco Packet Tracer software. So first, what is Cisco Packet Tracer? So Cisco Packet Tracer is a simulation software owned by Cisco. It can be used to build complex network topologies and work, test, and stimulate to learn about networking concepts. This software is very useful for networking academy students, and what I'm going to do is making two network star topologies. I use the star topology because it is the ideal topology, and but the main disadvantage of this is when the switch or hub fails, the network will also fail. So, in the first network that I'm going to make, I will use a switch and I will use a hub for the second network to really know the difference of them when sending a message. So, let's start the video. We'll begin by first, of course, launching the software, the Cisco Packet Tracer. When you open the Packet Tracer, you'll see a window like this one. It is divided into four major areas. The first area is the workspace. This is where you'll be putting the hardware and doing most of the configuration. On the right is the toolbar. It has the tool that will be used to interact with the devices in a workplace. And here are the hardware devices. This is here you'll select devices to put in the workspace, and this is where the Packet Tracer is itself. It is used when you have a functional network or to check the status of connection and troubleshoot your configuration. So now we'll use one hub and one switch. So first put the hub and switch on the workspace. Just click and drag it to the workspace. So we now have the hub and switch for our two network star topologies. Second step is to select end devices. Click and drag the generic to the workspace. You can put as many as you want, but I'll only use 3 pieces for the first network and 4 pieces for the second network. After, click and drag the server from the end devices. So we already have the devices and now we have to connect them all. I'm gonna use the straight through cable to connect them. The green dot shows that the end devices are successfully connected to the switch or hub. The red or orange shows that they're still requiring a connection, so we'll have to wait for them. So now that they are successfully connected, we'll still have to configure it by send a message. So double click the end devices and click the config and fast Ethernet 0. Type the IP address and press enter for the subnet mask. Now, repeat the process to the rest of the end devices, but only change the last number ranging from 1 to 6, or according to how many end devices you used. And yeah, see how it works. Now we'll have to try and send a message. To make that possible, click the simulation on that side and click the auto capture and play to really know where the message is going. So as you all can see, in the first network where we used the switch, the message was only sent to the PC that needs it. While on the other network where we use the hub, the message have to go through all PCs, unlike in the first network where the message is directed only to the PC that needs it. So the switch is also called the intelligent hub, and it isn't called intelligent hub for no reason, right? Well, these days I guess no one uses the hub anymore. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Today, thank you for watching this video.